What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Miami at Palm Beach International Raceway. I am with Rob Feretti, my friend Tiara, and so many other people. We are gonna get on the track and run some laps. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be driving, but if I do, this would be my first track day, but I don't think so since I don't have a car and I don't have a helmet. Maybe one of the guys might lend me one of their cars. I'm not sure. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We have a young Rob Spaghetti over there filming. It's pretty windy, so I apologize for all of that, but these are some of the cars that are going to be on the track. And yes, the Nissan Sentra is going to be on the track again. We've already done that. We have the Corvette, both Corvettes, La Lamb, and I believe we have a Camaro over there. No, we have another Corvette. So
like I said, I don't know why the windows don't work, so I imagine it just was too much of a fuse. But starter, ignition, fuel pump,
that's fan.
What does that say? Fan. So that's all manual now.
Okay.
Now we can put it in, but we didn't have time.
Sure.
And I didn't have the instructions, or I think we did, but we just didn't have time.
Sure.
So it's all manual now. This is all your body stuff. Headlights. This one makes them go up and down.
Yeah, you can leave them
right,
down.
and then
leave them down.
Yeah.
I'm not sure why I'm being trusted with this, but I'm on microphone duty. Seems like something went wrong since he had to get off the track.
This is in that.
Yeah, that should be an easy fix.
Since they already messed with it, they know exactly.
So he's calling the guy who did it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, right? Yeah, I'm like, I don't know.
We've seen him go in the car.
It's hitting two-step at 4,500 RPMs. Shit. I just got back from hopping out of the Aventador. That was actually the first time I have ever driven inside of an exotic. I know it's weird because I'm around them all the time, but I have never ever in my life actually driven in one. I've sat down in one, but never driven in one, and that was pretty nice. I am out of breath only because I haven't ate much today and I haven't drank any water, so I'm gonna go hydrate myself before I die. I definitely felt like I was going to rip my head off with this helmet because it's too small on me. I borrowed it from somebody, but apparently it's a large. I don't know how it's a large. It feels like an extra small, so I'm gonna have to go in person to test helmets on when I need to buy my own. Excuse me, sir. We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. Okay, bye. Shit. Wow.
What is this? What type of tire? Pirelli.
Yeah.
Stick with Michelin.
Who is Chris? I definitely want this Lego set. Okay. That's Chris. Chris, thank you for taking all of my photos. I need this in my life for the collection. You guys have no idea how exhausted I am. I don't think I've actually slept a good 8 hours since I got to Miami, and I lost my voice, but we're not gonna talk about that. I want to give a big shout out to Manny. He's the one in the Lamborghini Aventador that rented out the whole entire track, and if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have had that track day, so thank you, man. Wow, I really did lose my voice. I have a feeling that at some point in my life I'm gonna end up moving to where it's warm. I really like the hot weather, but I don't think I necessarily moved to Miami. I don't think that would be a smart move for me. There's way too much of a party scene over here, and I don't think I'd get any work done. Update, my tattoo is coming along really good. I need to go for one more session because we need to finish the arm over here, some more details on the face, and this snake right over here. So we have to finish that and we can start on my second piece, and I'm super excited. I think a lot of people don't really think that I am the type of person who likes tattoos like that, but I do. I don't know, guys. Let me get ready because my hotel is crazy and I'm still packing. So I'll see you guys soon. What's better than a McNugget? A McBurrito! I have a burrito blanket thanks to my friend Monica. She gave me this for Christmas, and I needed something to cover me so I can come into the garage and not wet my hair. So that's why I'm wearing the blanket. As you guys know, show season here in the East Coast is mid-April, so I want to get the FRS ready for show season. There's so many loose ends that I have to tidy up, and I'm going to point them out. I'm going to point out all the flaws, and maybe you can roast my car with me. One of the things that's wrong with the FRS are the rotors. This is the only rotor that is not drilled slotted. R1 did make a mistake and sent me out the wrong front rotor. They ended up sending me 3 rear rotors and only 1 front rotor. So they did replace it really quickly. I've just been super lazy and have not installed it. So what I'm gonna do is replace this just slotted rotor with the drill slotted, because all the other ones have drill slotted, and this one and the driver's side are gonna be replaced, so I have to do that. The FRS is super dusty and dirty, so I wanna clean under here, and as well as add some dress-up bolts and maybe some carbon fiber pieces just to get a really clean look in the engine bay. One of the things that I do have to do is replace the rods on the Rocket Bunny, because as you guys can see, I have this street arrow splitter, and these rods are too short. They're forcing the front bumper to come upwards, when if it was longer, it would stay flush and it won't be so high up. The reason why this is a problem is because, one, should be sitting like this in the first place. The next issue is that this part is lifting up because it's not flush. So you can see that it's being lifted, but I also have to blame this with that couch cushion that took over my diffuser and broke it, because this also got detached somehow. There's supposed to be a dress-up bolt right here, and when I got the car painted, I never installed one, so I'm gonna order some dress-up bolts to go here, but double-sided tape was holding that down, and it's not anymore, so I gotta take off the wheels and disconnect everything and get longer rods in order to get this to sit flush. That way this sits flush as well. This box controls the sequentials and as well as the color changing, but I'm having an issue with wiring because it's not long enough, and it connects all right here. All 3 wires connect together, and that makes this tail light work. I don't know how, but it does. I don't know shit about electrical. So every single time I drive and that gets disconnected, when I try to turn my turn signal on, it does not work, so I have to fix that. I was having a lot of fun, and now I have to go back to reality. Why? But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.